Turn around and go, hurry.
Getting to the best part!
Yay.
Puppy!
Hey, Ann, what are you doing? Get in here. This weather's not fit for beast. Come on.
I have horrible, horrible congestion. I'm sure it's not COVID because there's no fever or anything, and I can taste my food. Anyway, look what happened. It's been here for 2 or 3 days, ice storm. We're lucky that we have power, and my heart goes out to anyone who's lost power. Hi, Mindy. Hi, Marissa. Down in Texas. I'm so sorry. I know you guys aren't used to it. We're not used to it either here in Tennessee, but here it is, and we just have to deal. The chickens are cold. The puppy loves the snow. The children are having fun in the snow, and I think it's about 16 degrees right now. When I come out in the morning, it doesn't seem so bad. It's like I've got layers on, and I'm still toasty warm from the sleep. But man, in the afternoons, I come out here and I'm like, no way. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, this is what it is. Or maybe it's just necessity that brings me out here to take care of my girls. We'll go visit them. They've been staying in. I've been keeping the coop closed so that they will be protected from any wind and elements. But we do not have a heat source. I was thinking about putting up a heat lamp, but all the research I've done, there's duck farmers in Vermont they're like, we don't have any heat source. They just have a building. They just stay there. It's it's -2. I'm leaving them. And they seem okay. When I go in there, they're active. They walk around, they look at me. If I hold out food for them, they eat it, and I think they're okay. Let's go see them.
Hey, girls. We're just coming for a quick visit. Are you in there? Oh, it's stuck. It's frozen stuck. Here we are. Hello. Oh, got a feather stuck there. Hello. I put their water here too so that they can get their drink. I filled it up with warm water, and then we'll change it again tonight because it's gonna freeze probably during the day. Although it's supposed to get up to 33. Maybe some of this crap will melt. What do you think, girls? Jesse? Jesse, what do you think? You think it'll melt? No. Junko, you're looking better. Your feathers are growing back in. That was a bad time to molt, sweetheart. Really bad time. Bad timing. And you big chicken. Literally. Oh, here. What are you doing out here with no pants on? Hello. Good morning, puppy. Now let's close them. We'll close them back up, and then we'll go visit the puppy. Where'd he go, puppy? Where'd you? Oh, he's over there doing his business. Oh, whoops. Oh, gorgeous sunrise this morning. Good boy. Good boy. Hello, good morning. How are you? Did you sleep good? Yeah. Did ya? You're getting so big. Up. Up. Atta boy. Good boy. Oh, I got snow on me. Yeah, it's gorgeous though. Very pretty.
So we can't even get out of our driveway. It's iced over. This what you're looking at is not snow. It was freezing rain that just kept coming, and it is so hard. And me with my 100 pounds. I'm walking on top of it. It's, I don't know, about 2 inches of packed ice bits. I can't tell how deep it is really. There's a good place. Do you want to come get him? Yeah, that's good, honey. I'll get a little closer to that. It's breakfast time. Breakfast time. Yeah. Come on. Oh, come on. Let's go. Let's go, puppers. Pan. Come on, Pan. There you go, then. Want to take his leash off for me? Morning. Alright, let's go look over here at how deep this ice pack is. It is ice. There. There's a little idea. And I think I'll put all my, well, it's hard to put all my weight on it. Now I'm putting all my weight on it. And no, it just doesn't sink in at all. It's just frozen. Frozen ice pack. That's crazy. And it's crazy to me. Nope. It's cold. All right, I'm done. I'm going in. Goodbye. It's snowing again. Sugar flat pie. Nice.